All right, we got another Session beer by Full Sail Brewing. This is the Session Light.
Light lager.
Yeah, light lager. 3.6%.
What?
Yeah.
Wow.
Light beer.
That's awesome.
Yeah. Starting the day out a little light here.
This seems to be kind of a trend, though. You know, like make a light lager or a super light session ale, you know, kind of thing. It's actually one of the more inviting, agreeable trends, really.
Yeah.
Out of the bottle, it's a little harder to really discern what the... I get a real graininess out of it, though.
Me too, actually.
Huh. Oh, man.
It's pretty refreshing.
Wow, that's good.
It's nice, yeah. It's really
yeah,
cold.
just a nice, rich, grainy, malty, almost like a caramel 10 or some Munich or something in there, you know, or some Carapils or something. It's got just a little bit of that caramely kind of flavor, but it's super light, like a bunch of Carapils in it or something. Malty and like good body.
Oh yeah.
Tinge of like almost sweet, you know?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, definitely light for sure. Like, I could drink a dozen of these and be happy with it. Yeah, they did really good with that.
Yeah, I'm kind of surprising that it's a lager, actually.
Yeah.
Great yeast. Super clean. Nice and even and balanced.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, shit like this can go with any food.
Yeah.
It's just a very versatile beer.
Yeah, just give me a BLT, you know, on some toasted sourdough or some rye or like a nice light panini or something.
Oh yeah.
Be really good.
Absolutely. Yeah, sandwiches and
Yeah.
salads. And
Nice light sandwich, pasta salad. Some little shrimp spring rolls or something, you know.
Oh yeah, perfect.
California rolls, sushi.
Yeah, sushi for sure. Absolutely. That's a good one. Yeah.
I really like it.
You go for like a burger and some potato wedges. Definitely a good pub food beer, you know. Barbecue, of course. Like, these are good for, you know, having plentiful for guests and stuff, you know.
Yeah.
And it's a nice social beer, you know, light.
Yeah. That'd be good grilling up or doing some rotisserie chicken outside or,
Oh yeah.
you know, smoking up some fish or something. Be a great lake beer at the lake cabin, smoking up your fresh trout that you caught, you know, in your little smokehouse. And
Absolutely.
be good with some fresh mozzarella and some smoked fish. And serious thumbs up, dude.
Oh yeah.
It's good. I love the maltiness of it. It's really impressive for being how light it is.
Just very well brewed.
Fuck yeah,
Like,
it's fantastic.
Front to finish, great.
Yeah.